Owe bari hamukoro go kwigura umwanya ogoro kuri rwarure rukureri Mbarara Dr. Deus Twesije yagamba hakigenderwa cyo kombeka wodeji
bariyo ni bahangusya obuhereza abo batwene bahereza irware literi Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital mwene ko kumukimanya eri rwaro narimwe omarwaraga kukire omukushemeza abana na mnoga abana Abarikuzarwa beine ebizibu byabo mwana nabasa kuzarwa ushanga tine ho kubasa kushoreza mwana nabasa kuzarwa ushanga nko muntu wagushatikire umwana nabasa kuzarwa ayino buremo bundi mwe naba bana student baragurira aha konka abo kugira ngo buhereza bugumire no baburungi enamba yabane gumire ne hanguha kandi tutine mwanya go kubatamu mbene rizoba byabizoba ituri yo kushemerwa abo kuba Woodi na renjo itwire twine hatubaji hangusya.
Dr. Felix Oyanya omushaho w'abana yayebaza ba Bethane ahabwo kombeka omwanya ogu natekateka ngu encourage neza kongera muhendo gw'abana batwire nibajanjabwa buri Sunday hamwe na buri kwezi.
Initially we have 15 beds for children in our wards because of the demand of pediatric surgery in this region. We had mothers who did not have enough space. We have children who cannot get surgery because of limited space. So this has been an expansion into the beds from 14 to 30 because on average we've been operating about 70 to 100 children per day. But because of limited space, now with this we hope to increase the cases from 100 to 150 per month.
Dr. John Ntsime obyamagara hitendekeri Mbarara University of Science and Technology yagira ngu nikiza kuyamba kwegesa abandi bashaho abirukwata kushemeza endwaro mu bana bato na mnonga abo abina amashomo harurengo rwa degree hamwe na masters.
Through this program, through this specialized clinic, we are able to train postgraduate students in pediatric surgery. Pediatric surgery is a very specialized skill, and I think in the whole country, no other regional referral hospital is offering this kind of training.
Dr. Ivan Wagaba, o director wa Bethany Kids zo muihanga yagira ngu batoni n'ecweke cyambarara habo kugira ngu abashaho babana bingi bari mu kibuga Kampala kandi obushaji cyobo nibo kuyamba beji abo kwego bushaho kwego kuragura endwara no kushemeza mu bana.
Irware ndukwataganisa hamwe na university so tukantwenda ngu obuhereza obutoro kugaba obo kushemeza abana na nabeji ba university base kubutungaho so tere ebinyibiro nibare rumwe kugira ngo abantu abarwire bitu batunje bujanjabi nabeji batunje okuganyurwa mweno base kutunga skills ezo base kujikweyongera yibarashiki ahatari buhereza obu babase kuyamba abana bandi.
Omukugambaho na Dr. Felix Oyanya yahamye ko buhereza obu bona buryo bwabusha.
And these services are for free. They are paid for the government of Uganda. No one is supposed to pay for them. Please, we have had stories where some people have been asked money. That's wrong. That's not true. The services are for free.
Ogutugo murundo go kubanza ekitongore eki kiri kuyamba hirwa reri ahakuba bakahunduzaho emwe ha theater zabo nko ku Dr. Deus ari kushoborora.
Mbiro bitari byahare hona ekinjo kigombe kimwe cya Bethany Kids ecyabasize tukorera theater tukatwine theater konkeke tahwire bakayijana sente nyingi bakora theater batame kitande kiturukweta theater operating table batamu ecyome kiturukweta anesthesia machine yeiziraho nebinde barkweta monitors yatame kiturukweta operating right so hate ogo mwanya ni theater eine kigenderwa cyo kugira ngo aberere bona abeine bizibu batungireyo obuhereza obukwatine nebyo kushemeza.
Gashaka bet naibare.